Good morning, guys. So today marks 60 days until we go to Disney World. We're going in December this year. And so 60 days ahead of time, we can make our dining reservations. So that opened up at 6 a.m. this morning. And I just wanted to show you how I do that on my Disney Experience app. So I just opened the app and then I went to the menu down here in the bottom right, and I'm going to go to My Plans. And then this will show me all the plans that I have scheduled so far. So you can see we have all of our park passes. Monday we're going to the Magic Kingdom, and then we're going to have dinner at Cinderella's Royal Table. Next day we have park pass for Hollywood Studios, so on and so forth. But I want to try and make another dining reservation to show you guys. So I'm going to press this plus sign down here in the middle, and I'm going to check dining availability. And there are 4 of us, and we are going in December, and I'm going to look on December 10th, Friday, and I'm going to look for dinner. So down here you can search by a specific time, or if you do like breakfast, it'll give you any times that would be considered a breakfast time. It'll do a time range for you. But I'm going to do dinner at the Magic Kingdom on Friday. And it's showing me all the availability for what's there. So I was really hoping for Be Our Guest on Friday, but the only time is 3:25 p.m. If it's really a reservation that you want, I would take that, and then you can keep checking back up until the time you go, if there's a better time that comes available, because people's plans change all the time. So keep checking back if you don't get something that you want. For us, though, I think we have enough other character experiences and dining options that I'm not going to take that 3:25 at Be Our Guest. We have eaten there before as well, so I think I'm going to skip that. Ooh, Chef Mickey's. I might hop on that one. I don't know. I was kind of hoping to see the fireworks at the Magic Kingdom that night, so I don't know if we'd probably miss it if we did Chef Mickey's. Let's see what else there is. Garden Grill is really good. Well, just for the purpose of this example, I'm going to go ahead and take that Chef Mickey reservation, and then I can decide later, right? Because it's available right now, so I'm going to go ahead and snatch it up, and then we'll decide later. So it is going to make you put in your phone number in case they need to get a hold of you. They do take a card to hold the reservation. They don't charge the card, but there is I think it's $10 per person if you no-show and don't cancel. You have to say, yes, I have read the policies. If you have any food allergies or requests, you can enter them there at that button. And I'm just going to say book now, and hopefully it will give me my confirmation. Okay, it is telling me I am reserved for 4 guests. Here's my confirmation number at Chef Mickey's on Friday, December 10th. And that is how you would make a dining reservation. You can see they are easy to cancel. All you have to do is click that little cancel. If you need to modify anything, you can modify, but I'm going to close out of that and go back to my plans here. Scroll down to Friday, and there is that reservation we just made at Chef Mickey's. So I hope this was helpful. Have a good day, guys.